Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today I am going to give some important information about board exam, and that is uh, 3 marks questions, sure questions which are repeatedly asking for board exam, and chapter wise I am going to give important questions which repeatedly they are asking for board exam. So my dear students and who are suffering for preparation, and no need to worry, and you follow this video and you will get sure marks, and minimum if you learn these questions and you will score minimum all 3 marks questions without any loss, minimum 40 marks you are getting. Just 4 to 5 hours every day you are sparing for chemistry. In 5 to 6 days you will get minimum 40 marks for 70. So let we start with one chapter which are repeatedly and surely asking question every year, and we'll start with physical chemistry, and that is solid state. Very important chapter. Every year there is a 3 marks question from here. What you have to learn? Simple concept, that is calculation of packing efficiency. You go for previous year paper, every year there is a question from this packing efficiency. So packing efficiency is most important topic in the solid state. See, 3 questions are there. One is simple cube, the second one is phase center, third one is body center. These 3 derivations, if you are learning one derivation every year, and there is a chance to get. So my dear student who are preparing solid state, and you go for a derivation of packing efficiency derivation, that is simple cube, phase center, body center. So one is sure for 3 marks every year. And let we see another important topic, that is solution chapter. And here we have the solution chapter, and this is one of the most important topic for 1 mark questions also. And here I am explaining 3 marks questions. So 3 marks questions based on Raoult's law and colligative property. These are the 2 strong areas to get the question. So 2 concept only, that is one Raoult's law, next one colligative property. So based on Raoult's law, P0 minus P upon P0 equal to W2 into M1 by M2 into W1. And this is the formula you have to use to calculate partial pressure or molecular weight or weight of the substance. So if you practice numerical on this, there is a chance to get one. Next, colligative property. So every year there is a numerical on colligative property, that is change in the freezing point, change in the boiling point. Remember this formula and you will get one numerical. If change in the freezing point not given, change in the boiling point you are getting Kf into W2 into 1000 upon M2 into M1. If you learn this formula, and delta TB also easy. Instead of Kf you write only Kb, and remaining is same. Sometimes they will ask, instead of delta TF or delta TB, molecular weight also sometimes they will ask. So you modify this formula as a molecular weight of given substance, for which substance they are asking, and that you can calculate easily. So molecular weight equal to, for example, Kf is given, Kf into W2 into 1000 by delta Tf into W1. If the Kb is given, then M2 equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 upon delta Tb into W1. So based on Raoult's law and based on colligative properties, you are getting every year numerical. And theory question, if you concentrate, well, this year deleted syllabus. Some deleted syllabus is there. Ideal and non-ideal solution differences. And one another we have a reverse osmosis process. That is we are calling desalination. So there is a chance to give ideal and non-ideal solution differences, and another chance we have desalination, that is we are calling reverse osmosis process. So this is the strong area in solution lesson for essay question. And let me start with another chapter, that is most important physical chemistry chapter for competitive also, that is electrochemistry. And there is a chance in electrochemistry for this year numerical Nernst equation. Nernst equation. So based on Nernst equation, every year there is a question. Every year there is a question from this. So E cell equal to E naught cell plus 0.0591 upon N log reduction concentration by upon oxidation concentration. So, and this is, or sometimes they will ask Gibbs energy change. So delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught, and this is a chance to get the numerical. And another we have the theory question, that is construction of Daniell cell. Construction of Daniell cell. So this is the strong area for electrochemistry to get 3 marks question. And another important chapter to get strong question, that is 3 marks question, chemical kinetics. So here we have the derivations like solid state, that is integrated rate equation for 0 order, for first order, and sometimes they will ask integrated rate equation for half-life of the reaction for 0 order. If you learn these three, one is surely you are getting for 3 marks. And another chance in this same chapter, numericals. Numericals based on 0 order, first order, half-life. So if you are very strong in this area, then chemical kinetics problem is solved. So my dear students, you please concentrate on integrated rate equation, derivations and numericals. And this we completed 4 physical chemistry chapters. Now we have another strong area for board essay questions, that is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry. So surface chemistry only theory part here, as my knowledge no numericals are asking. That is the differences, physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. One essay question is chance is there. Hydrophobic and hydrophilic colloids. Hydrophobic and hydrophilic colloids differences. Next another chance we have Briggs arc method. This is the preparation of salts. Preparation of salts. Metallic salts especially. And you have another electrophoresis. And this electrophoresis also very important, and there is a chance. And another chance we have, that is mechanism of micelle formation. And this is the another strong area in surface chemistry. And you go for another most weighted chapter in inorganic. So we completed physical part here, 5 chapters. P black, inorganic. So there are 3 questions here: manufacturing of ammonia, manufacturing of nitric acid, manufacturing of sulfuric acid. So if you learn these 3, and there is a chance to give 2 questions from this, and you will score easily. And 3 may ask sometimes. Generally previously deleted, without deleted, 1 question every year, and this year there is a chance to getting 2 questions. So please everyone concentrate on manufacturing of ammonia, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and surely you are getting 2 questions. Another important topic in inorganic chemistry, that is coordination compounds. So coordination compounds we have chance 2 areas. 3 areas are there. One is Werner's theory, postulates of Werner's theory, and this is one essay question. Another area, valency bond theory. Here they will ask question about inner complex, outer complex. They will ask hybridization, magnetism and their related properties. So one inner complex you practice, one outer complex you practice. So strong ligand ಇದೆ inner complex, weak ligand ಇದೆ outer complex. Another strong area, that is CFT, crystal field theory. So this is also one of the most important area. So in coordination compound you have three strong areas. One is Werner's theory, the second one is valency bond theory. Here two concepts you have to learn, that is inner complex and outer complex. Another area is crystal field theory. So if you learn these three and three questions you are getting, you can score 9 marks and there is no chance to get another 3 marks question. So Werner theory you learn, and this compulsory Werner theory and valency bond theory is sure. So this is coordination compound. And let me go another strong area for essay question, that is from organic chemistry, haloalkane and haloarenes. Here only two questions there is a possibility, that is SN1 and SN2 mechanism. So every year one question you are getting. So this is one most strong area. Next, another organic chemistry important chapter is alcohol, phenols and ethers. Here surely you are getting another mechanism, alcohol to alkene, that is catalytic dehydration of alcohols to alkenes. So every year repeatedly asking question, this is also. So please concentrate. So these are 8 chapters, surely you are getting 3 marks questions. And remaining chapter, aldehyde ketones, carboxylic acid and amines, biomolecules, these are, you are not getting 3 marks question. If they ask 2 plus 1 like that, they will split. So in aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid, in amines, please you concentrate all named reactions. So name reactions are very important, they will ask as 2 marks question. And D and F, another chapter we have. Here also you don't have directly 3 marks, and that is 2 plus 1. And in D and F block, mostly they will ask reasoning type questions. Reasoning type questions. So, and this is where you are getting 3 marks question. Today in this session, I explain only 3 marks question. So I repeat one more time. Please concentrate everyone. Solid state. Solid state. Simple cube, face center, body center. Solution. Raoult's law, colligative properties based on numericals, ideal and non-ideal solution, and desalination. And this is very strong area. And another chapter, electrochemistry, based on Nernst equation, numerical, and construction of Daniell cell, chemical kinetics, derivations, integrated rate equation, zero order, first order, half-life, zero order, and numericals based on this integrated rate equation. And these are, we have 4 chapters. And 5th chapter I given to you, that is surface chemistry. Here Briggs arc method and electrophoresis, mechanism of missile formation, the differences you learn, physical and chemical adsorption, and hydrophobic and hydrophilic colloids differences. P black, ammonia manufacturing, nitric acid manufacturing, sulfuric acid manufacturing, and coordination compound. Coordination compound, Werner theory, VBT and CFT. And these 7 we have very important for 3 marks question. And another chance in organic chemistry, that is haloalkane and haloarine, SN1, SN2, that is from haloalkane, haloarine, and alcohol, phenols and ether, you have mechanism, alcohol to alkene. And these are only we have the chance to get 3 marks. Still, if you have any problem, any queries, please make a comment. Thank you.